Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, July 6th, and I'm going to the free walking tour. We got to go to the Palace of Justice. I'm going to take the metro. We got to get there by 11. It's around 10:16. The metro is only like 1.6 lev. It's about 80 cents, and you can use a contactless credit card. So I'm going to give it a try. The metro was pretty clean, pretty modern. Only trouble was trying to find it. The signs were a little difficult to figure out, and the directions were kind of difficult to figure out. Okay, we got to go to the Palace of Justice. This is where we were yesterday. Start of the graffiti tour. The metro saved me about 15 minutes of walking, 20 minutes of walking. Here's the Happy Bar. I ate here yesterday. You go inside, it feels like Las Vegas. It feels like you're in a restaurant near the Mirage or Bellagio. Okay, we're supposed to meet in front of the two lions. So this church was almost destroyed in 1925. They were trying to kill the king, the Communist Party. And the king was supposed to attend a funeral. They put a whole bunch of bombs on the roof. And they killed 500 people. But not the king, because he was late. So in Bulgaria, they say it's good to be fashionably late. It might save your life. So the guy told us about the history of Bulgaria, Sofia, history of Sofia, 6,000 years old. Started with the Thracians, a mysterious kingdom, and they were conquered by the Byzantines eventually, and the Ottomans. Ottomans conquered them for 500 years. And they were a communist country till 1989. So in Sofia you see the lion. And the lion means lev. Lev is the name of the currency. And you find that everywhere. This is a 14th century church. They discovered it while digging up the metro. The metro took 10 years to build. This station, Serdica Station, which is, by the way, the name of the ancient city of Sofia, Serdica. Because when they kept on digging, they found 14th century church and 3rd century Roman ruins. So lower you go, older layers of city is discovered. That over there is the biggest mosque in Bulgaria, and the only one here in Sofia. And over there is the Jewish synagogue, one of the largest in Europe.
You know, So, do you remember who this is? Do you remember I showed him to you in the coat of arms?
Apollo.
Exactly. This is Apollo Medicus, my best friend. He's my best friend.
These are all mineral waters. They are really hot. It's about, I don't know, temperature of like almost a hot coffee. These are rumored to be healing waters all around here. Yeah, there's a little bit of a sulfur taste, but tastes pretty good. These are healing waters, so I should get healed. Whatever ailments I have, I should be healed now. This used to be the public baths of Bulgaria until about 50 years ago when it was abandoned because many people were taking baths at home instead. Just 10 years ago they converted this to a museum. So now it's a museum of Bulgarian history in front of this lovely park and the Orthodox Church. We're making a detour because President Zelensky from Ukraine is visiting the Bulgarian president over there. So that's why we have all this security.
Please stay closer to me. You get lost like this. Please stay closer to me.
This is a very old church. 4th century was when it was built. It's been in continuous use. It was a mosque during the Ottoman Empire, but that church is like 1,600 years old. Look at all the security, news crew for President Zelensky's visit from the Ukraine.
Once upon a time, it was the year 1878. We were already 5 centuries under Ottoman rule, so we're very sad about that. This is angry. We had 3 words to remember. 3 words. So we are very sad about that. Okay? But then comes the Russian Ottoman Liberation War, and we're free and very happy.
Yay!
But not so fast, we have a problem. After 5 centuries of Ottoman rule, we don't have any royal blood left in our society, so we don't know who to put as a king. So we, geniuses we are, decided we can import the king from outside to rule upon us. So we go around Europe looking for a king, and we find Alexander Battenberg from Germany. Don't be a rude king, we have 2 new people. These new kings I have to teach them everything.
Okay, another great tour, and this was our final stop. This is Hagia Sophia Church, the same one as the one in Istanbul. It was built by the same guy. 6th century, I believe, when it was built. And Sofia is named Sofia, not because of Saint Sophia, but it was named after this church, and Sofia means wisdom. And because people were referring to this city as Sofia because of this church, instead of Serica, which was the ancient name, they changed it to Sofia, which means wisdom. And this is the famous church associated with Sofia now, Alexander Nevsky, I think, church. I believe it is made in the tradition of a Russian Orthodox church. I'm gonna go inside and take a look, see what it looks like. All right, I saw the inside. It's kind of dark and like covered in dirt inside the mosaics.